Annyeonghaseyo 여러분. Hello everyone. Ciao a tutti. Bonjour mes coucou. As you already know, this is your girl Adele, also known as Oma MJ, and I'm a nurse by profession, presently residing in South Korea with my family. So guys, today I just wanna have a little chit chat with my mommies out there and without any other person who is interested, and I want us to talk about one very common topic or a very common problem which many new moms rather face, and it is none other than diaper rash. Yes, diaper rash. Okay, so I have here with me two different diapers. Yes, this is first the dirty diaper, and here I have the clean one. You can see the difference. Here we have the blue line in the middle, and here we have the yellow line. Yeah, so when you see this, when you see the difference, something comes to your mind like, oh, this diaper is dirty, it needs to have a change. And when you see this one, you say, oh, my baby needs a clean diaper now. So this is one common problem faced by many new moms. Yeah, like in my case, I think I had to prepare for this because I bought an ointment. Oh, was it cream? Or no, it's a cream. Yes, I bought a cream, which is what I used for MJ. Okay, so guys, let's dive right in there. Firstly, let's discuss what is diaper rash in general. What is diaper rash? When you hear of diaper rash, what comes to your mind? Like, because firstly, when you hear of rash, you know that there is something going on. Yeah, when you hear of rash, you think of inflammation, you can think of bumps, you can think of patches on your baby's bum bum. So on your baby's buttocks. Pardon. First of all, I would say disclaimer. Yes, I disclaim because this is from my own personal experience and my own personal research. So I disclaim everything you might hear here. Yes, because like I said, from my own personal experience and my own personal research. So I just wanted to share this with you all. Okay, let's talk. What is diaper rash? When you have diaper rash, what comes to your mind? Well, as we all know, diaper rash is a very common problem in babies, and most moms, when they see their babies' buttocks kind of reddish with little bumps, with little patches, like I earlier said, nothing else comes to their mind except diaper rash. So diaper rash is a common form of inflammation on the skin. That's kind of dermatitis on the skin that appears as patches, as red patches on your baby's buttocks. Yes, they appear as red patches on your baby's buttocks. So when you see this rash, they might not only appear around your baby, just around your baby's buttocks. They might also affect the genital area. They might also affect the thigh. So it all depends. Yeah, but most commonly, that is what diaper rash is. Okay, now let's talk about the causes. What are some of the causes of this diaper rash? Oh, yes, that they were in class mentorship. Long time, but I'm back. Yes, I'm back. Okay, as I was saying, what are some of the causes of diaper rash? First, diaper rash can be caused by, the most common is irritation. It's irritation on your baby's skin. Yes, on your baby's skin. Like I earlier showed this this dirty diaper. If you keep this for long on your baby's buttocks or on your baby's genital area, if you wear your baby this for long, the bacteria or virus or anything which is there might affect your baby. It might irritate their skin, and those patches will start coming out. You will start see those little red bumps on your baby's buttocks. And the second thing is chaffing or rubbing. Yeah, when your baby's buttocks and the diaper, or your baby's thigh and diaper, keep touching each other, like always, there's always that friction. There's always that friction when two things come in common in which they are not compatible. That friction, you obviously see a little or more irritation and patches around that area. And the next thing we can talk about diaper rash is irritation also from, or allergy. Yes, because your baby might have some allergies, either from a new brand of diaper which you started using. So be very careful when you are changing your baby's diaper brand. And the next thing is also your baby's wipe. Yes, that's the second thing I can talk about. Your baby's wipe. Be careful when you're changing your baby's wipe. It's either you're going for a better brand or you stay where you are. And also detergents, your baby's laundry detergents, it can affect or irritate your baby's skin. And also your baby's laundry softener. Yes, those are all the things that can affect your baby's skin and cause them to have a diaper rash. And the next we can think of is a bacteria or a fungal infection. We all know that bacteria commonly breed where an area is either dirty or moist. Bacteria breed there very well. Example of a bacteria like a fungus. Yeah. So if your baby's bum bum is always moist, please avoid it and always have a frequent change of your baby's diaper. And another thing we can think of when talking about the causes of diaper rash is introducing new foods to your babies. Yes, if you are introducing a new food to your baby, please check with your pediatrician, or you can check with a health practitioner, or you can check in a nearby pharmacy if that food is suitable for your baby, at what age the food is suitable. Because some children or some babies, when you give them a food, or when you introduce a puree which is not for their age, it might either harm them or be okay with them. So please always check when introducing new foods to your baby. And another thing that can cause diaper rash is when your baby have a sensitive skin. Yes, I can bet with MJ, she had a very sensitive skin. Like all the time I was running to the hospital because she had diaper rash. Yeah, I think yes, MJ had diaper rash. And though I prepared for it before delivery, I was not really expecting that it's gonna be the way it is. So I had to prepare for MJ's diaper rash, and I think it really, what I got really helped her at the moment. It really helped her at that moment. Sorry, it really helped her. So now we have discussed the possible causes of diaper rash. Now, what are those things that will make you know that this is diaper rash your baby have? Because your baby might be suffering from a fungal infection, which can as well come out as a diaper rash. So what are those things that will help you to know that your baby is suffering from diaper rash? The first thing we want to talk about, the first sign we want to talk about, is the red bump. Those red patches, those little patches around your baby's buttocks or around your baby's genital area. Those are the things. In fact, that's almost the only thing that will let you know that your baby has a diaper rash. Also, when you check on your baby's disposition, your baby's position, when either you're bathing your baby or when your baby is having a diaper change, you will notice that your baby is either fidgeting, fussing, or like trying to react to a pain, or maybe something is hurting your baby. So when you're changing your baby's diaper and you touch around the genital area or around where the rash is found, you see your baby trying to react to that pain. Now, those are the I think those are the only most common signs. Yes, a red tender patchy area or bumps around your baby's genital organ, or around your baby's thigh, or around your baby's buttocks. Now, let's discuss what are the different ways in which you can prevent diaper rash for your baby. Well, like I earlier said, for me, I prepared before birth. Yes, I prepared because I bought MJ an ointment, like I earlier said. So though I prepared for it, but I didn't really have an idea, because it's my first time having a baby and I'm all to myself over here. There's no one to help me, no one to tell me, oh Adele, don't do this, or you have to do this, you have to do that. So I had to figure things out all on my own. So that's why I came up with this YouTube channel, to help moms or new moms who are just having babies for their first time, and maybe they don't have anyone to help them around the house. They have to figure out everything all by themselves. So there are various ways of preventing diaper rash. The first one I want to talk about is changing your baby's diaper very frequently. Yes, this is one thing that if you do it, you hardly have problems with your baby's bum bum. Yes, like I earlier said, as you can see, this diaper is quite heavy. Yes, it's quite heavy, and if you check, you see the line, this clean line in the middle, this yellow line in the middle over here. If you check it here, you will see that all the line has turned blue, which is indicating my baby needs a diaper change. And it just happened because normally I don't always let MJ's diaper to turn completely blue like this, just because I was not at home and her dad did not really have the initiative of changing MJ's diaper. So I decided to use it for my show, just to explain about this diaper rash issue. So this diaper is dirty and MJ needed a change, but since I wasn't home, her father could not figure it out. And here we have the clean one, so you can really see the difference between the two diapers. So changing your baby's diaper frequently or more often, it will really help your baby to get rid of all the rash your baby's having in the bum bum. And also you can as well, if you don't want to use a wipe, you can as well rinse your baby's genital area with lukewarm water. Yes, lukewarm, not hot, just lukewarm. Yes, you can, if you have a bath thermometer, you can check with a bath thermometer, or you can use your elbow. Like back home in Africa, this is what we always use to test the baby's temperature, water for bathing. So you can use your elbow. And also, please avoid wearing your baby's very tight diaper. Yeah, very tight diaper, because that way you don't allow air to circulate around your baby's genital organ. In my case, I think I always go a step ahead for MJ. Yes, that was what I did. The moment I noticed she was having a diaper rash, I decided to go a step ahead. Like, I bought her more bigger diaper. Yes, that was what I did. I bought a bigger size for her diaper. So avoid wearing your baby's too tight fitting diapers. Please allow air to circulate around their genital organs. Just like some men who say they prefer to sleep with their cheleps. Yes, because they want air to circulate around their genital organs. So that's the same thing you would do for your baby. And also, please consider using an ointment or a cream for your baby in case you notice your baby is having a diaper rash. And lastly, always wash your hands. Washing of hands, it has become very, very common now since the origin of corona. So people try to avoid corona by washing their hands and face masks and all whatnot. So always try to wash your hands, yes, after changing your baby's diaper. That way you prevent bacteria from staying in your hands and you prevent transmitting the bacteria to your baby's bum bum. And now those are the means of which you can use to prevent diaper rash. Now let's talk about how can we treat it if the rash is already there. Like if you are ignorant, or if you were ignorant that that's a diaper rash on your baby's bum bum, what do? You ask yourself that question. Oh my god, the rash is already there, so what do I do now? You start thinking, looking for solutions. You might go to the pharmacy or the hospital or call a friend. But in my case, I think, like I said, I bought an ointment, yes, for my baby MJ. I bought an ointment. It is, if I'm not mistaken, it is a, I don't know, one cream. I've forgotten the name, it skipped my mind, but I bought a cream for her which I use. I'm sure it's a something, it contains zinc oxide. Yeah, it contains zinc oxide. And also, before even using that, I had to buy this. So now these are all the home treatments you can give if your baby has a diaper rash. Yeah, I bought this. You can see it's a petroleum jelly. Yeah, pediatrician recommended. This is what I got. Petroleum jelly, pediatrician recommended. That's Vaseline. Yeah, it says for baby. It was precise, like for babies. This is it. And yeah, white petroleum, skin protectant, hypoallergenic. So this is what I also got for MJ, because I was trying different options, but in the end I had to stick to her zinc oxide. Oh, it is sodo cream. Yes, sodo cream. That was what I got, sodo cream. Yeah, and this Vaseline, it says to change wet and soiled diapers. You see, direction for use for wet and soiled diapers. So I think you can get this wherever you are. I think it is sold worldwide because I got this online from one of our online shopping malls here in Korea called Coupang. I had to order, and it came from overseas, so I had to use this too. And also I bought this, which I haven't used yet, but I just bought as to be on a safe side. This is Earth Mama organic diaper balm, soothing comfort for baby's bum. So this is it, as you can all see. I think it's visible enough. Earth Mama, yes, specifically for the baby's diaper area. It says soothing and comfort for baby's bum. And lastly, I also tried this Aquaphor. Yes, this is Aquaphor. So these are all the various ointments or cream which will help you to solve your baby's diaper rash problem. This is baby, specifically for baby. That's it, baby Aquaphor, for dry, chapped or irritated skin. So if you have the means, this is quite expensive than this, and also this is a little bit expensive, yes, but I think they are all good for the baby. So these are all the various ointments or cream which you can apply on your baby's bum bum. But most importantly, secondly, the first is using all these creams and ointments, all of this. Yes, there's one part of the treatment. And if you're at home, you cannot afford all of this, why not try to air your baby's bum bum? Like after changing, wet wipes, you always feel water on the wet wipes. So your baby's diaper, please ensure to air dry. Yes, air dry the area let air passes circulate around your baby's bum bum for like 5 to 10 minutes. Yeah, even if it's winter, you can put on the heater and the house should heat up a bit, and you let your baby's bum bum dry off. Okay, and the next thing we can do is, like I earlier said, the ointments, you can use them. The third is, you can go for oversized diapers. Step up a little bit if you see that your baby is having a diaper rash issue. Step up a little bit. If you're using size 1, you can decide to go for size 2. Yes, that way air will circulate around your baby's bum bum. Or if you're using size 2, you can decide to go for size 3. Yeah, depending on the size and weight of your baby. If your baby is kind of too bulky or too chubby, you can step up a little bit. Like in my case, what I did was I had to step up. At the time, MJ was wearing, was it size 1? Yes, she was wearing size 1, but I had to go for size, I had to go for size 2 when I noticed she started having diaper rash. I had to go for size 2 diaper so that air could circulate around her genital area. And the last thing you can do is, if your baby is either having a fungal infection, you can as well go for an antifungal medication to help your baby. You can look for topical antifungal medication, because when I rushed MJ to the hospital and I noticed she was having this baby eczema, the doctor didn't really, her pediatrician did not allow me to use too many medications as what he told me. Babies like MJ, there is just bread normal. Those are all common problems with babies. So he just told me that I shouldn't worry too much about about MJ's eczema, that the thing is gonna clear up with time. So he stopped me from using any antifungal medication or cream or whatever. So I just had to apply my zinc oxide, the sodo cream, and Aquaphor and Vaseline. I was just interchanging, you know, because I wanted fast results. You know, as a mom, you have to try so many things just to get the result of what you want. So I was just trying different options and seeing how it progresses. And in the tail end, MJ was fine. She was totally fine. I think since 2 months to now, she just turned 10 months old. Yes, since 2 months to now, she has never suffered from diaper rash again. So I don't know, later on I'm gonna donate all of this to other moms who are in need. I'll donate them to other moms who are in need, because right now I don't think MJ needs this anymore. And if your baby's diaper rash is caused by a bacterial problem, you can look for antibiotics, topical antibiotics. So I think it's gonna help your baby. So the first thing I said was to air your baby's genital area for like 5 to 10 minutes. Also, you can look for ointments and creams. Also, you can get your baby or antifungal medication, topical medication, in case her diaper rash is caused by fungi. You can also look for antibacterials. And lastly, go for oversized diapers. Yes, I think they'll really help a lot. They really help a lot. Okay, so guys, please, if you have any questions, let me know in the comment section. But like I earlier said, disclaimer. So that's just all I wanted to share with us today on this live, and I hope this video helps someone. And subsequently, I'm gonna be sharing more of such health topics or health problems common with babies. So if you have any recommendation, any topic you want me to talk about, or anything you want me to talk about, please feel free to let me know in the comment section. Yeah, till we meet again, I remain your girl Oma MJ, and if you haven't subscribed, please don't forget to do so. Yes, don't forget to do so, because I'm depending all on you guys. It's because of you all that I keep making videos, and educating the population, educating the public, helping new moms who are out there. I remain your girl, Oma MJ. Please click that notification bell to give you the alert each time I upload any new video. Yes, and if you like this video so far, please consider giving my video a thumbs up. Thank you guys. Thanks for your love. Thanks for sharing my videos. Thanks for watching. I really appreciate. Till we meet again, like I said, I remain your girl, Oma MJ. Yes, your favorite first time mommy. Alright guys, see you and have a blessed and nice weekend. Okay, I've come to the end of my life. Thank you. Kamsahamnida. Merci beaucoup. Merci beaucoup. Thank you. Grazie mille. Grazie mille. Merci beaucoup. Namu kamsahamnida. See you in my next video. Okay, bye guys.